Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can open up a second Etsy shop. So let's get right into it. Now, the thing with this is that you cannot open up two Etsy shops, at least not on the same account. So if you are interested in having multiple different shops on Etsy, I'm pretty sure that you do not have a limit on how many you can create. There might be one in the terms of service, which I do recommend you read through, especially if you're interested in being a seller. But other than that, as far as I'm aware, there is no limits on owning shops. At least I'm pretty sure that the limit is higher than two, if there even is one, or it might be just two, but I'm pretty sure it is higher. Now, to create a shop, you pretty much just need to create a new account. So imagine that I signed out of this account. I don't have another email address on hand, so I'll have to just use this one. And to create a new shop, you literally just have to go into your shop manager, go through the absolutely same steps that you would go through for any other shop setup on Etsy, and just go through it, create the new shop, and that should be pretty much it. Now, I'm not sure if you need to have multiple credit cards as well, or debit cards, or anything, if you need to have multiple bank accounts through which, of course, you will get your money. However, that is up to you to look up. If you want to create multiple shops, you just have to create multiple accounts, and that's it. How legal it is in regards to the terms of service, I don't know, but that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.